Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Last night or yesterday was super simple for dinner. Super simple. Spam, scrambled eggs, and potatoes O'Brien. Super simple prep, super simple preparation and cooking. Yeah. But yesterday I did do two spice blends. One's a spice blend and one is actually a salt blend. One I'm using today for this tonight's dish, and the other one I'll be using Saturday. So yeah. I put together a Caribbean style curry, which will be used tonight. And then I did it's a Bahamian seasoned salt. Yeah. Good times. Those are available. Tonight I'm doing two things today. My dinner, of course, and then I'm doing a sauce. And I'll get to it, I promise. Tonight I'm preparing Caribbean beef curry with potatoes. Hence the curry I built up yesterday. And I'm also doing what they call Old Sour. It is a hot and sour pepper sauce. Apparently, in the Bahamas, they use this Old Sour like we use ketchup here in the States. When you see how simple it is, you'll go, how come I've never heard of this? All right, so let's get to it. Got the hardware out, brazier, and good old crockery for the white rice, long grain white rice. It's beef. So I got some beef going here. Kosher salt, black pepper, some oil for the brazier. The veggies are onion, garlic, ginger, obviously a potato. The lime is for at the end. All right, all the spices. The Caribbean style curry. I have jars on order. That's why it's in a yeah. So we got the curry, Caribbean style, allspice, turmeric, Indonesian cinnamon, cumin, cayenne are all the spices. We'll be using diced cut tomatoes, some beef stock, some soy sauce, and brown sugar. Of course, the white rice is out. Don't worry, I got more. And cilantro for a garnish. Now, for the Old Sour, it's basic 3 ingredients. Limes, sea salt. Technically, it's supposed to be Scotch bonnets or habaneros. I'm going Thai chilies. I like my stuff hot, but not that hot. And I'll be putting that into a 12-ounce squeeze bottle. So this is the 3 items. I'm making it several days ahead. That way it can marry. So it could do its thing. So the flavors marry and meld. I understand from my research, if you leave it for a week or 2, it gets really, really good. And I also, in my research, basically the Bahamians will put this in a glass Coke bottle. I guess it's everywhere in the Bahamas. So yeah, on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.